This is where a truck that is not worthy to fly the road. Welcome to Helen's Corner. So we traveled to the village for burial, and on our way coming back, my God, even when we were going, it took us we left around 7 and we got to, thinking we would get to burial maybe around 10 since we were driving. But we later got to the burial around after 12, almost to 1. But thank God it has not started. So we were able to meet up when the corpse was still outside. Now, coming back, this is what happened again. The road was blocked at Oji River. This is Enugu State.
Hey, another turning point again. Can emene ru ha jina turn it.
Hey, I turn the so. Hey.
The headache they are putting us through.
This is the second time we are turning. Initially, we wanted to pass through the Enugu-Onitsha Expressway, but the route was blocked, so there was no road to pass. So we had to come back and come and take this old road. In fact, we spent 1 hour on this very hold up before we go to that place, and there's no road again. We had to turn back and pass through some village within the same Enugu state. Somebody is traveling and is suffering like this just from Anambra to Enugu. Somebody cannot travel again. This is so bad, honestly. So we joined back to the expressway. Some parts have been done, while the other side nothing is done. So we met them here, wanted to join them. We saw that they were even the one creating road for themselves. This is it.
Created road, though, new road to join the other road. This is what the citizens now do for themselves.
So after any bus crosses, they will start repairing the road again so that another bus can cross. Meanwhile, they were so lucky to see hole in the car or one of the cars. That's what they use in creating that road. Okay, where you're going, you will find out that they blocked the whole road, as in they heaped a lot of things on the road. I don't know why they blocked federal road like that. What exactly is happening? It's not as if there's anywhere construction is going on there. There's no construction at all. Now, when you travel from Anambra to Abakaliki, as far as you're going to cross Enugu, you will suffer. You're going to suffer. No road. Most times the road is blocked. At times when you're traveling, you just end up spending like 7 hours, 6 hours, 3 hours, even 24 hours, depending on how lucky you are, or just in Enugu state. Both the state road is bad, the federal road is bad, and yet our government is not doing anything about it. I wonder what both their Ike Ekweremadu, because that's his senatorial district, and all others are doing about this road that is bad like this. I don't know if you've had experience like this. If you've had, please drop it in the comment section. Let me know the people that have suffered like me.
We are suffering and smiling.
Go, 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 go. Go back. Go back.
This one got blocked with the
Not be small thing. Waiting we dey see with that. So because we were sure, because we came a day before today, that is a day before this very day, which is we came on 8th, and the day we are driving like this is on 9th of October. So we were sure there was a road somewhere, because we passed somewhere. We later succeeded in passing somewhere. See, this side too is blocked. People are also saving their life there, trying to cross. Okay, so we had to go back and go and look for that road we came from. We succeeded in seeing the other way, and that's the road we took. Okay, so we are heading there now so that we can pass through that road. And one more thing is that all the roads have a guys, all these village guys that block it and collect money, just like this one. Look at them. They are stopping the cars to collect money from them.
Oh yes,
money don't finish. Road block plenty today. Road block. I go how many?
So the road blocks like this we've passed through just on this day, that's 9th of October, was more than 7 or 8. We had to, some of them we had to give them money, some we did not give them money because we didn't have money again to give. But we finally found an escape route, and we were able to join back to the express Enugu Onitsha expressway, and this is it. Though the road is bad here, but towards the end they fixed that side. Okay, they just fixed one side of it, very little. It's not everything. They didn't even fix a whole roll so that you say, okay, they finished this side, it's remaining this side. No, they just did little from one lane, and they did, as in they just did the middle. They didn't do the beginning, they didn't do the end. I didn't know what exactly is happening, whether there is a spirit that is against the construction of this road. It is only God that knows. I don't know if you've passed through this road within this period. If you've passed through this road this period, please drop it in the comment section. For those of us abroad that our brothers will be telling, oh, we went to Enugu in the morning, we came back in the night, please believe them. If your family members, you're staying outside, believe them. It's true, because the road is very, very bad. Road is not good in Enugu state. Enugu state per se, Anambra doesn't have this, Ebonyi state doesn't have this. It is only in Enugu. So, and I pray that this video should get to the right people so that all these things will be sorted out. Then lessons we learned from these travels are, in case you're traveling, okay, let me post all of them for you. Lesson number 1 is that make sure that when you're traveling, your tank is full. When you're coming from Anambra or Abakaliki, your tank should be full before getting to Enugu, because you never can tell the scenario you're going to meet in Enugu. Number 2 is that you should travel with whole cutlass or strong rope in case they might need to tow that car for you, or you might need to clear something on the road to enable you pass properly. Okay. Number 3 is that you should eat very well before coming out so that you won't be hungry in case your car gets stopped. Number 4 is that coming out on time so that you'll be able to see where you are going to and get there on time. Okay, because when you come out very early in the morning, you'll be able to beat all this traffic and hold up, bad roads and everything. Then lastly, my last tip number 5 is that you should come out with enough change if you're the one driving, so that you'll be able to settle all those village guys, as in each town has its boys that stay on the road, so that you can at least give them, if it's 50 naira, 100 naira, so you will not spend too much. If not, by the time you'll be bringing out money, it will be 200. By the time you give 200, 7 checking points, you have spent like 1,400. Should come out with enough change so that you'll be able to spend. These are the things I've learned on this journey. So finally, we joined the side that has been fixed on this road, and then this road from that place that we joined to 9th mile has been fixed, and we passed through Milliken Hill and down to Enugu.
Ahead now, safe is nothing to write home about again. So we go to 9th mile around 4:05.
Meanwhile, we came out around 12:34. So like 4 hours just from Nnewi to 9th mile.
See, and I do waterway, float the ground, enter where water they pass, float everything, come where water go they pass. So how the road won't take spoil just like that? You don't see am? Do you understand?
Yes,
The road for spoil.
Road 28. So guys, after getting little thing at Enugu, this is where we landed at Eke market, close to Eke market. This is emene road. This is where a truck that is not worthy to fly the road block the road and almost cause accident, change daylight to night one time because of this type of thing. All right guys, if you learned anything from this video, or in fact got any new information, please don't forget to click the like button for me and then share to your friends. Okay, drop your comments if you've had experience like this, okay, so that we all just laugh over it. So this is the most stressful Okpu to Abakaliki journey I've ever made in my life, guys. This light is shining in my eyes. Let me just freshen up. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please click the like button, share this video for me. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching Helen's Canal.